Imagine this, your next long-distance ride, but faster, smoother, and easier than anything you've experienced. Because Triumph has just built the sport tourer designed for riders who refuse to compromise. This is the 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800 Tour, a machine engineered not just to take you places, but to transform the way you travel. Born from Triumph's sport DNA, but upgraded for real-world adventure and long-range comfort. At its heart is Triumph's signature 798 cubic centimeters triple, liquid-cooled DOHC, and tuned to deliver 115 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute. Smooth, strong mid-range, and that addictive high-rev punch only a triple can give. Plus, you get 3 riding modes: rain, road, and sport. So the engine adapts instantly to whatever the day throws at you. The chassis is built around a tubular steel frame, paired with Showa 41mm upside-down forks and a rear Showa monoshock. With 150mm of travel at both ends, it strikes the perfect balance. Sporty on twisties, stable on the highway. And when you're fully loaded with gear, the dual 310mm front discs, rear 255mm rotor, traction control, and ABS work together to keep you in full control. This tour version isn't just a badge, it's a complete upgrade. You get color match panniers, a massive top box, up to 106 liters of storage, a comfort seat, heated grips, handguards, and a center stand. Everything you need for real touring, straight from the factory. And with full LED lighting and a bright TFT plus LCD display, long trips feel effortless, day or night. The 2026 Tiger Sport 800 Tour isn't just built for distance. It's built for riders who chase moments, not miles. If you're ready for your next chapter on the road, this is the bike that's ready to take you there.